No gym, no problem. All you need are dumbbells for this upper body arm workout. My name is Zach. I'm your instructor. Be sure to click the subscribe button. I have lots of workouts available. Grab dumbbells. You can grab them light, 2, 5 pounds, or even heavier, 10 to 15. And let's get this workout started. Drop your weights to start. And we'll focus on our warm-up real quick. Just roll the shoulders up and around. Won't be here for very long. Just wanted to get you mobile before we do anything. And then circle forward for 4, 3, 2, 1. Take those arms out in, open, close. Good for 4, 3, 2, 1. And then same thing behind. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Roll the wrists and roll them back. And one more time and roll them back. Great. One last little shakeout and let's grab those dumbbells. So starting off with our bicep curls, palms to sky. So we'll curl right, left, right, and left. So we're doing lots of tempo work to play around to create it more, make a more challenging workout. So these tempos are going to really challenge yourself with the weight load. So wrist all the way up to shoulder, up and down. Okay, here we go. In 4, 3, 2. Let's go halfway up, hold, all the way down. Halfway up, hold, all the way down, and repeat. Lower, halfway hold, and lower. Good. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1, and all the way up, right, left, and down. Really give it a squeeze. I'm using 5-pound dumbbells today, and I'm already feeling it in the biceps. Chest is tall, long posture. You can always go slower than the pace that I'm setting. So know that. Take pauses, take breaks. This is for everyone. We can all do this workout, and you don't need a gym, right? You just need dumbbells. 4 more, right here. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's do some triceps. So I'm just gonna face this way. Bring the elbows high and hinge. Kick back, one arm at a time. Your elbows are in the ceiling. You want your high elbow up and the forearm moving back and forth. So make sure you have a soft bend in your knees. And again, you want to extend and bend. Extend, bend. Keep the elbow in the ceiling. So biceps and triceps are agonist and antagonist muscle groups. So I'm working one side of the arm and then the back of the side. So I like to do it that way so that you're targeting everything all at once. Good. Back and forth. Back. Bend those knees. Abs are engaging, so you're a little bit of core work too, keeping this long spine. All right, 8 like this. 8, 7, 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1, and come on up. Bringing the weights, palms facing you. Open up, rotate to the sky, rotate back in. So this is called a Arnold press, a rotational press. Palms facing away, rotate, palms facing in. Rotate palms away, rotate, bring it in. Perfect. Taking those arms high in the sky, big exhale up, inhale down, lift and lower. For 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring it out wide. Little pulse up, up. So back to that little tempo play. A little inch by inch, lifting 1 and 2. Up, down, up. Very good. Oh, it burns. Hold on. All right. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Frontal raise. Arm goes out in front. And switch. So you want a soft bend in the elbow. So make sure that when you extend the arm forward, you have a soft bend. It's not a straight arm, but a soft bend to extend the arm in front. Again, keeping that tall spine, reaching out in front, back down, exhale, lift and lower, lift and lower. We're almost there. You're doing great. Eight, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Take it to the side, right, left, to the side, come down, side, come down. Now these ones are a little bit harder. So if you got it, go slower, go slower. If you need to take a pause, take a pause. Just make sure that your shoulders are staying away from the ears. So try not to reach them up. You want to relax the shoulders down, keeping that tall posture in the body. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Palms back up about halfway. Hold. I want you to open your right arm to the side, center, left, center. So we go out, together, out, together, open, out, in. Good. Little rotation work. Always good to focus on that. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and all the way down, bicep curls. 8, 7, 6 from the top. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it up. Overhead press. 1 and 2 and lifting to the sky all the way up. Bring it down. Reach. So these are narrow presses. Palms are close to the body. Lift and lower. 8, 6. All right, we're almost there. Hold on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, little pulse. Up, up. So narrow. Remember we did this wide. Now we're doing it narrow. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. All right, this is how you finish. Arms reaching out in front. Hold. Come back down. Exhale. Hold. Come back down. Big breath. Reach. Lower down. 2 more. Exhale. Lower. Lift. And lower. And we hold for 8, 7, 6, 5. Squeeze. 4, 3, 2, 1 and down. Ooh, drop those weights. Shake out your arms. Very, very good job. Thank you for exercising. Let's just stretch out real quick. Cross that arm. Take a deep inhale. What a workout. That felt great. And switch. Check out the channel for more exercises. Maybe you want to do a leg workout after this or some stretching. I got all the videos on the channel, so be sure to take a look around. If you're not subscribed, make sure you are. Stay in the loop with new workouts every single week. And leave me a comment. Again, I love hearing where you're from, how the workout went, and I take requests and suggestions. So if you have a request, I'll do my best to see it through. And if you do want to help support me and the channel, we do have a membership on the YouTube page where you can join for a monthly subscription, where you get some new workouts only for you and, early videos, so you'll get the workout a week before anyone else. Cross those shoulders, and some fun perks like that. So all that info is in the description box. Thank you for exercising with me, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye, guys.